Welcome to Trading with Trent. I'm the co-founder, Kit Trades, and I'm super stoked to have you here. Our goal at Trading with Trend is to teach you how to identify trends and then scalp them. Everything we do here involves identifying and scalping trends because our market philosophy is that a trend is statistically more likely to continue than to reverse. As our other co-founder Jimbo always says, you might have 10 opportunities to trade the trend, but you're only going to get one opportunity to try to trade the counter trend or catch that reversal. For our free members, we offer 4 training videos, this being one of the 4, a free PDF with all of our market theory ideologies, and at the end of the PDF is 2 ways that you can trend scalp starting right now. We provide a free weekly live training session where you can turn your mic on and ask as many questions as you need. And we have a general chat where you can chat with like-minded traders like yourself who are all trying to learn how to scalp the trend. Please watch all 4 of these videos and read the PDF so that you completely understand our market theory. That way, when you enter our chats, you can intelligently speak with our other traders. Additionally, we have a premium group called the Meerkats. If you're interested in joining our premium group, you can click Overview under the Meerkat section in the Discord. The Meerkat gets you the Meerkat indicator as well as our step-by-step trading guide on exactly how we trade the trend profitably every single day. It also unlocks 1 weekly premium live training session as well as a small amount of one-on-one time with me and Jimbo. You can learn more about the success of the Meerkat strategy by viewing the backtesting and overview channels in the Discord. Thank you for watching this video, and like I said, there's 4 of these free videos, so go ahead and check them out below.